What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of hacking tools, specifically one that I think is an absolute game changer for beginners in 2025. We quote talking about fsociety, and no, this isn't some Mr. Robot fanboy thing. Though I am a fan, this tool is legit. If you're new to hacking or cybersecurity, this video is perfect for you. Now, before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to this channel because we're constantly bringing you valuable content that will accelerate your journey in the world of tech and cybersecurity. We're going to break down everything you need to know about fsociety, from its features and ease of use to why it's hands down the best tool for beginners this year. Whether you're interested in ethical hacking, penetration testing, or just want to learn more about cybersecurity, fsociety has something for you. So, if you're ready to explore the exciting world of hacking with a powerful and beginner-friendly tool, stick around, because we're about to uncover what makes fsociety so special in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. Let's get started. All right, let's dive into fsociety. This isn't just another tool, it's a revolution in the world of hacking. Imagine having a Swiss Army knife, but for hacking. That's what fsociety is all about. Now, first off, the name might ring a bell for those of you familiar with a certain TV show about hackers. And yes, it draws inspiration from that iconic series. But let me tell you, this is not a TV show. This is the real deal. A powerful, all-in-one hacking suite designed to make life easier for beginners and experienced hackers alike. This is the real deal. A powerful, all-in-one hacking suite designed to make life easier for beginners and experienced hackers alike. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, fsociety has something for everyone. One of the first things you'll notice about fsociety is its incredibly user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, so you can focus on what really matters: hacking. We're not talking about some cryptic command line interface here. No. fsociety boasts a sleek, intuitive graphical user interface that wouldn't look out of place in a modern software application. fsociety boasts a sleek, intuitive, graphical user interface that wouldn't look out of place in a modern software application. This makes it incredibly approachable for newcomers who might feel intimidated by the technical nature of hacking tools. You don't need to be a coding wizard to get started with fsociety, but don't let the simplicity fool you. Underneath its user-friendly exterior lies a beast of a tool. Under the hood, fsociety is packing some serious heat. It's not just about looking good, it's about performing exceptionally well. It comes loaded with a comprehensive set of tools and features that cater to a wide range of hacking needs. From network scanning to vulnerability analysis, fsociety has it all. Whether you're interested in network scanning, vulnerability analysis, password cracking, or even social engineering attacks, fsociety has got you covered. Society has got you covered. It's a one-stop shop for all your hacking needs. fsociety has got you covered, so whether you're a newbie looking to dip your toes into the world of hacking or a seasoned hacker seeking a reliable toolkit, fsociety is your go-to solution. Dive in and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Now let's talk about some of the key features that make fsociety stand out from the crowd. This toolset is designed to be comprehensive, user-friendly, and incredibly powerful, making it a favorite among cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike. One of my favorites is the built-in network scanner. This feature is essential for anyone looking to understand the layout and devices connected to a network. This thing is a beast. It allows you to quickly and easily scan entire networks for connected devices and open ports. Imagine being able to map out an entire network in just a few minutes, identifying every device and its status. This is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities and targets within a system. By knowing what devices are connected and what ports are open, you can start to see where the weak points might be. And speaking of vulnerabilities, fsociety also includes a powerful vulnerability scanner that can automatically detect known weaknesses in your target systems. This scanner is constantly updated with the latest vulnerability definitions, ensuring that you are always one step ahead. This is like having an X-ray vision into the security posture of your target, allowing you to pinpoint areas that might be susceptible to attacks. With this information, you can prioritize which vulnerabilities to address first, making your security efforts more efficient. But fsociety doesn't stop there. It offers a wide range of tools that cater to different aspects of cybersecurity, making it a versatile toolkit for any professional. It also comes equipped with a suite of password cracking tools that can help you recover lost passwords or even crack the passwords of your target accounts. These tools are designed to be efficient and effective, saving you time and effort. From brute force attacks to dictionary attacks, fsociety provides you with the tools you need to bypass authentication mechanisms. Whether you're dealing with simple passwords or complex passphrases, fsociety has you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. Elliot, this all sounds great, but isn't hacking illegal? It's a valid concern and one that we take very seriously. And you're right, hacking into systems without permission is illegal and unethical. Unauthorized access to systems can lead to severe legal consequences and damage to your reputation. That's why fsociety is intended for ethical hacking and penetration testing purposes only. Ethical hacking involves testing systems with permission to find and fix security vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. Ethical hackers use their skills to identify and report security vulnerabilities in systems, helping organizations strengthen their defenses. By doing so, they play a crucial role in protecting sensitive information and maintaining the integrity of digital infrastructures. Now, let's talk about some of the updates and new functionalities that make fsociety stand out in 2025. One of the most significant additions is the integration of artificial intelligence. Fsociety now leverages machine learning algorithms to automate certain tasks, such as vulnerability detection and exploit selection. This not only makes the tool more efficient, but also helps beginners by providing intelligent recommendations and guidance. Another notable update is the enhanced mobile penetration testing capabilities. With the rise of mobile devices, it's more important than ever to ensure the security of mobile applications. fsociety now includes a dedicated module for testing the security of Android and iOS apps, allowing you to identify vulnerabilities and protect sensitive data. The developers have also focused on improving the tool's cloud security features. As more organizations migrate their infrastructure to the cloud, it's crucial to have the tools to assess and secure cloud environments. fsociety now includes modules for testing the security of popular cloud services like AWS and Azure, helping you identify misconfigurations and vulnerabilities. The developers of fsociety understand that a thriving community is essential for any successful hacking tool. They believe that the strength of a tool is not just in its code, but in the people who use it and contribute to its growth. This philosophy has driven them to create a robust support system that caters to both beginners and seasoned professionals. That's why they've created a dedicated online forum where users can connect with each other, share knowledge, and seek support. This forum is a bustling hub of activity, where users from all over the world come together to discuss various aspects of hacking, share their experiences, and help each other solve problems. The forum is a valuable resource for beginners, providing a platform to ask questions, get help with challenges, and learn from more experienced hackers. It's a place where no question is too basic, and everyone is encouraged to participate and contribute. The experienced members of the community are always ready to lend a helping hand, making it an ideal environment for learning and growth. It's a testament to the developers' commitment to fostering a welcoming and supportive community around fsociety. They understand that the journey of learning to hack can be daunting, and having a supportive community can make all the difference. This sense of community is what sets fsociety apart from other hacking tools. So, whether you're just starting your journey into the world of hacking, or you're a seasoned security professional looking for a powerful and versatile tool, fsociety is definitely worth checking out. The tool is designed to cater to a wide range of users, ensuring that everyone can find something useful in it. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and focus on education, it's no wonder that fsociety is considered the best all-in-one hacking tool for beginners in 2025. The developers have put a lot of thought into making the tool accessible and easy to use without compromising on its powerful capabilities. And the best part? fsociety is completely open source, meaning it's free to use and modify. This open source nature encourages collaboration and innovation, allowing users to tweak the tool to suit their specific needs and contribute to its ongoing development. This makes it accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a desire to learn about cybersecurity. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a professional, fsociety provides the resources and community support you need to enhance your skills and knowledge. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The developers of fsociety emphasize the importance of using the tool ethically and legally. They believe that hacking should be used as a force for good, to improve security and protect against malicious attacks. Always use fsociety ethically and legally. The community strongly advocates for responsible hacking practices and encourages users to respect the law and the rights of others. Hacking into systems without permission is a crime, and we do not condone any illegal activities. The goal of society is to empower users to learn and grow in a safe and legal manner, contributing positively to the field of cybersecurity. That's it for this video on fsociety, the best all-in-one hacking tool for beginners in 2025. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.